When I was just driving back to my home, near to my lane, I just saw two puppies wandering here and there in search of something. When I asked the people nearby, they said that these puppies lost their mother, and it seems that the puppies were hardly 1 month old. And I was just feeling bad for it, and I was just thinking, within 30 days, the puppies were unable to forget his mother, and they were unable to come out of its memory. And I was just relating to human being. For a small puppy, if it is unable to forget its mother, then what about human being? What about the small babies? If at all their parents or their family members or caretakers, they are not there, then what will happen to the child? Will the child be psychologically affected? Will the health of the child be affected? There are many questions going in my mind, and I found the answer in one of the attachment theory by a great psychologist. And this theory explains about how bonding and attachment of the kid with their parents affect the life and even the health of the children. Want to know more on this? Then come, let's go into the video to understand about the attachment theory, how life of a child is being affected by the relationship or the bond with their parents. Come, let's go into the video.
We all know that one's habit, lifestyle, thought process, attitude determines one's future. However, psychological theory proves that there is another factor which strongly determines one's future. This theory is called the attachment theory. Let's understand this theory with a real-time example. Once there lived a couple with a 3-year-old son. Both the mom and dad were very much attached to the child. Hence, the child felt so safe and secure, and thus the child developed a confident mindset. And in fact, he turned into an optimistic person and developed a positive self-image. After few years, the mother gave birth to a second child. Within a couple of months of the second child's birth, a tragedy happened in the family. His father met with an accident and passed away. The complete family responsibility shifted to his mother, and she was forced to take up a job to take care of the family. The mother was too much stressed and didn't have much time to spend with the newborn. The baby was taken care by a caretaker until the mother returns home. The baby felt alone and lonely. To seek the mother's attention, it screamed and yelled. Thus, the baby grown up insecurely, moody, unpredictable, and with negative self-image. Hence, from this story, we can conclude that the mindset of a child is determined by the attachment and the bonding it has with its parents. Thus, attachment theory explains that the relation between a mother or a father with the child in the initial few years decides the child's mindset, confidence level, and healthiness of the mind and the body. Thus, from this theory, we can conclude that if a child's bonding with its parents is strong and they are securely attached, then they are safe to explore the world, and they tend to build greater trust, and thus they connect easily with others, and so they are found to be more successful than others. And vice versa, if the bonding with the parents is weak, then the child feels insecurely attached and tend to mistrust others, lack social skills, and have problem in forming relationship. Thus, we can conclude that success of a child can be predicted in its early phase itself by the bonding it has with its parents.